Aries Ascendant. For Aries Ascendant, Jupiter will move in the 11th house, and Aquarius is placed 3rd from Sagittarius and 12th from Pisces. 11th house is the house of wish fulfillment, desire, network connection. It is also the house of gains and profits. When Jupiter will move in this house, it will expand the gains and profits for you. This is a time much in need for those people who have Aries ascendant and already are facing some financial trouble. While Jupiter was traveling in the 10th house, it was debilitated along with Saturn. It was a struggling time for the career. But once Jupiter goes in the Aquarius zodiac sign, it is going to expand the career, especially if you are connected to mechanical field, technical field, and if you are connected to finance. Jupiter will aspect the 3rd house, therefore it will expand telecommunication industry, or if you are associated with this telecommunication industry, you can also be associated with teaching, and all those teachers, or somehow if you are connected to educational system, if you are connected to the educational platforms, you will also get a lot of benefits because of this Jupiter transit. Jupiter will also aspect the 5th house. With the aspect on 5th house, Jupiter will have greatest blessings for you. This is like an expansion of identity. You will see that most of your problems either will be solved, or at least you will get a way out. At least something will be given to you, a tool, a solution, an answer, or even an understanding that will help you move your life in a forward direction. Jupiter will also aspect the 7th house, which means whoever is trying to get married, whoever are facing obstacles in married life, you will also see that the blessings of Jupiter will be very, very positive for you. Even in business, you will see that you will see growth, you will see expansion, and you will see productivity. But remember, Jupiter in the house of Shani will always have to abide by the rules of Saturn, and Aquarius is a zodiac sign which holds the Moola Trikona of the Saturn, and Saturn will be 12th from itself. So once you get, you will also have to give back, and that is why 12th Lord will be in the 11th house. The more you give, the more you will get. For Aries ascendant, it's an absolutely marvelous transit. Make the best use of it.